It's so interesting that when we become believers, that a lot of times we feel like we shouldn't suffer. We should be exempt. But that's just not how it works. Even Jesus had to suffer. And if he had to suffer, then you know we have to suffer. But the great thing is, God can show us that there is gain and glory in our suffering if we would only allow ourselves to believe his word, to take him at his word. The Bible says he's not a man that he should lie. So if you know that God is the all-seeing, the all-knowing, that he's a sovereign God, then you can trust his word and you can trust the lessons that he has for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Delon Radabaugh, Dr. D. I'm so excited about my new book, When God Allows the Rain, how to embrace the pain and celebrate its purpose. It can be done.